No. Code number 10. If you're billowing out white smoke, it's obviously not started. Check a couple of things before you start ordering new glow plugs and stripping it all down. First thing, let's check the battery. See, I think that's a 65 amp battery, and it was showing 13 something volts, but under load you could see it just wasn't working. See, the battery was just pulling that power. It didn't have enough power to work the glow plug. Yeah, that smoke's something you don't want, and that generally happens just because you've tried to start it with an underpowered battery. Right, so if we're in this position, I've got a chamber here now full of wet diesel that didn't start because obviously the glow plug didn't ignite it didn't have enough power. So we can fix that with a transformer. But while you're out in this position, while you've got the heater and you haven't fired it up yet, if you're just going to do a fresh install, take that cover off and check the glow plug and make sure that the glow plug's seated. I've had a few that the glow plug's just been finger tight on, you know, and if I never checked them, I would never ever get it started. I just had the same problems, you know, running into error E10s, and you know, it takes a lot of time. This is just trying to be an easy fix. Just make sure that that glow plug's seated in properly. Sometimes it's been coming from the factory where that's been just finger tight, so it was obviously never going to start. That would be another problem there. Definitely recommend getting one of these. This would probably be the first thing. I would never ever try to hook it up to a bad battery again, but that's the transformer there. I'll put a link in the description for that. I've just started that up there now. We can see the glow plug, the power's on 13.4, the glow plug's on, and now we've got the pump on and straight onto 2 bars. I can smell a bit of diesel. Well, let's go and check outside and see if there's any smoke outside. Now, I don't know if you can hear that. There was a bit of smoke on startup, but I left it for a while. Obviously that diesel's drained out of it a little bit, but that's it running there. You can hear it. Yeah, I can smell a bit of diesel. That's normal. I mean, the chamber was full there. Pump's running there. You can see that ticking away in the background. So that's the temperature, the outside case temperature now in Thailand. Let's see what we're on. It's been running 10 minutes, 14 volts, so the transformer's working fine there now. So that's 30 degrees temperature outside. It's been running 11 minutes, 14 volts now, the glow plug's gone off. Power number 8, 226 degrees centigrade. Sitting back to there, and then just power off, just hold that button down, let it go through its cool down cycle. You'll hear the fan start to change. It's just going to cool down, so give it 5 minutes, just let it go through its cycle. So that's it there, it's just going through its cooling down cycle now. Anyway, I hope this video has helped somebody. You know, always check that glow plug straight out the box, even if it's brand new, before you even attempt to fire it up connect it up to power. I can smell that bit. It's pushing out. No, you'll hear it. So that's going through its cooling down cycle there now. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. I'll be posting some more about some other different error codes as and when. Thanks a lot. Bye.